Ever wondered how to express comparisons or intensities in descriptions? Hello there! In this video, we unravel the magic of degrees in adjectives. Adjectives come with levels of intensity or comparison, and we call these degrees of adjectives. There are three main types: positive, comparative, and superlative. Each degree tells us something different, whether we're describing, comparing, or setting a record. Let's break it down with examples. Positive degree. The basic form of an adjective, like fast. Example: this car is fast. Comparative degree. To compare two things, add er, or use more before the adjective, like faster. Example: this car is faster than the other one. Superlative degree. To highlight the highest degree and add est or use most before the adjective, like fastest. Example: this is the fastest car on the track. Simple, right? But there are some rules. For short adjectives like big, use and est. For longer adjectives like beautiful, use more and most. Example: this painting is more beautiful than the others. Here's a quick challenge for you. Take an adjective, like cold, and create sentences using all three degrees. For example, positive: the water is cold. Comparative: this water is colder than yesterday. Superlative: this is the coldest water I've ever felt. Go ahead and try it. So, degrees of adjectives help us compare and express intensity, turning our sentences into masterpieces of description. Good job! I hope this video helped you better understand about degrees of adjectives. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye now!